guys, what's up? I'm Anubha and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing amazing. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some hair styling products with you that I have been loving of late. Some of these products I have tried before, some are newly purchased and I'm loving them, and I couldn't resist sharing these products with you guys because they are so worth their money. So if you guys are excited and want to know what all hair styling products are these, then let's get started. So the first product is the Alan Truman Blow Brush. This is basically a hair dryer and a blow dryer, like 2-in-1 sort of product, although they call it a 6-in-1 product. But this is like one product which I have been using of late a lot, and ever since I got my hands on this product, I'm not even touching my hair dryer because this product is so good. I was actually a little skeptical before investing my money on a product like this because you actually wonder whether it's going to be worth the money or not. The MRP of this product is about 3,500 and I got it for rupees 2,600. This is that one product that not only blow dries your hair, but it gives that salon effect to your hair. When we go to a salon and the blow dry we get is just to die for, right? You can actually get the same look at the comfort of your home now, and you just have to have like a hang of this product, that's all. And once you know how to use it and you know how to style your hair, then you'll be good to go, trust me. It's so like convenient to use, and the product is like really sturdy, and they've got about 3 settings in this one. You've got one low setting, one high setting, and one cool setting as well, which I really like. So how I like to use it, I firstly like to blow dry my hair using the low heat setting, and after my hair is set and all dry, I like to use the cool setting on my hair to set it properly. And it really helps in giving your hair that voluminous, beautiful voluminous look, and you would literally feel that the frizz on your hair is completely gone. And surprisingly, this also works like a hair massager. So when I'm done blow drying my hair, I like to run the bristles of this brush all over my scalp, and this just gives a very relaxing feel. I don't know if it's just me, but I definitely get that feel. I mean, my scalp, my head is all very relaxed, and this whole experience of blow drying your hair, styling your hair, and then massaging the scalp, it's very, very relaxing. One thing you have to make sure that you're not using this on like dripping wet hair. You have to make sure that your hair is at least 50% dry before you use this. Guys, if your hair length is short, medium or long, it does not matter. This hair tool is actually meant for all hair lengths, all hair types. My next product is a hair serum, and this is the SP Lux Oil by Wella. This is basically a reconstructive elixir, and I love Wella hair serums so much. I was actually using the other one before this, but I wanted to try out the Lux Oil this time around, and this is such an amazing hair serum, guys. It just makes your hair smell so good. Like until your next hair wash, your hair would smell so amazing. All the frizz is gone, completely gone, and you just need like one drop of it, that's all. I anyway cannot use a lot of hair serum because if I even use like a couple of drops, it just makes my hair very weighed down, and my hair starts actually getting very oily if I use a lot of hair serum. So on my hair type, I just need one single drop, that's it, and all the frizz is gone. My hair feels super bouncy, they feel so fresh and so amazing, and I highly recommend you guys to try out this one. It's a little expensive, so to keep our hair nice, shiny and polished, I think it's very important for each one of us to start incorporating hair serums in our daily hair care routine, and I highly recommend you guys to try out this one. Next product is a sea salt texturizing spray by Toni & Guy, and oh my god, guys, I was actually looking for this product since so long, you guys won't believe. I remember I started using this product somewhere back in 2015. I have been looking for this product since months now, and it was very recently that I spotted this product again on Amazon, and I was like, I need this product, okay? So this is basically a texturizing spray, and it really helps to give that beachy textured look to your hair, and I've used it today as well. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but this just gives a very like effortless look to your hair, and this works best when you use it on damp hair. Aaj I've used it on dry hair, but this works definitely best when you use it on damp hair. So you spray it on your damp hair, you kind of scrunch your hair like this, and all you get is beautiful beachy waves Trust me, no styling, no heat, none whatsoever. Just spray this and it just gives a beautiful beachy look to your hair. My last hair styling product is a hair gel, and I have been looking for a hair gel since the longest time, and I got my hands on the Wella Sculpt Force Extra Strong Flubber Gel. I was using this hair gel a while ago and I somehow didn't like it, so I wanted to try out something effective, something which is strong, and this was exactly the kind of product I was looking for. So this is great for, you know, those purposes when you're trying out the top bun hairstyle or the high pony hairstyle or that slick back kind of hair, that wet hair look. You know what I'm talking about, right? So it's great for those kind of days, those kind of hairstyles. And I think to maintain those kind of hairstyles, you need a strong hair gel that helps in, you know, holding your hair right. Also, the hold level of this product is 4, which is maximum. It says that 1, 2, 3 or 4. So the hold level of this product is 4, which is great. Also, I like the fact that this is not too sticky. Although this is extra strong, the hold level is also quite high, but it's not too sticky. You don't feel uncomfortable while applying this product. It's very smooth and seamless, and it gives a very nice, like, shiny look to your hair. Also, it does not make your hair you know, look very hard. So I really like this product. So guys, that was all about it. I'm someone who loves investing in hair styling products because I keep on styling my hair every now and then, and that's why I really like using different hair styling products. So if you like this video, then please don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up, and let me know in the comment section if you guys would like to try out any of these products. Also, all of the product links are mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. Also, starting 3rd of October, Amazon is running the Great Indian Festive Sale, so make sure you check out these products, and a lot of products would be available on great discounts as well. Make sure that you share this video with any of your friends who is willing to try out some new hairstyling product. And if you're still not subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you do. It would mean so much to me. That's all for now, guys. I'll see you all very soon in my next video. Until then, bye and take care.